And this in part is a reflection of the distance that Rahul Gandhi has travelled, because I clearly remember earlier he didn't pay too much of attention to caste and all, but now he realizes the ground realities, and he does believe that caste is an issue, and the only way forward is, the only way you can get past is by taking everybody together and by a development of the state. What really came out, for me, what stood out at this press conference was that the issue, the fact that he underlined the fact that irrespective of the result, whether Congress gets 2 or gets 200 seats, he will continue with his campaign in Uttar Pradesh. He also said that henceforth Uttar Pradesh's politics, Congress will define the politics of Uttar Pradesh. Rahul Gandhi appeared a bit more sure-footed and a lot more passionate, extremely passionate about Uttar Pradesh. He, like he himself says, I am a man obsessed, and I am only obsessed with one thing, which is bringing development to Uttar Pradesh, because he believes that UP owes it to itself and owes it to the country. UP is right now pulling the country. So he believes, not because, and he underlined the fact, not because of the people of the state, but because of the leadership. He says the leadership, UP deserves better leadership, and that he says it is, I will do everything I can to ensure that change comes about in UP.
All right, Javed, so Rahul Gandhi is saying there the Congress has the courage of conviction and it is there to stay. Just stay